Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today, inshallah, we are going to deal with the part of a research paper. So let us have a start. Actually, in every written work, we have three main parts, which they are introduction, the body, and conclusion. Even this work represent maybe an article, a research paper, a report paper, and so on. You should have an introduction and the body and the conclusion. Okay, so we have the main division of a research paper, which they are introduction, body, conclusion. And here in our topic, it will be such as like the first part, a preliminary section or front matter. The second part, main body of the report, and the last one, reference section. So, what a preliminary section or front matter includes? This part includes the title page, the acknowledgement, if there is any actually, and abstract, also table of contents, and list of tables and figures if there is any. Okay? While the main body of the report includes the following: introduction, review of related literature or analysis of previous research, and design of the study, and analysis of data and presentation of results, and at last summary and conclusions. The introduction itself consists of statement of the problem or specific question to be answered, hypothesis to be tested. Okay, and the second part, it includes significance of the problem and purpose of the study, and also assumptions and limitations, and definition of important terms. While the review of related literature or analysis of previous research, it is a topic of itself. It maybe takes from 2 paper to 10 talking about previous work, okay? It doesn't have a subdivision. While the part of design of the study include procedures used, it means the steps you doing this research, how you do this research, you are going to include them in steps. This represent the procedures, and also sources of data, from where collect your data. That means the population and sample. This is the source of the data, and methods of gathering data, how you collect your data, for example by test, by questionnaire, and so on. And finally, descriptions of data gathering instruments used. It means the descriptions, or you explain how you use this tool and why and from which resource. Okay? And analysis of data and presentation of results include text. Actually, this after the results exfil, you have to write about it, you have to describe it, and you have to insert some tables to show some numbers about your data, and also maybe you insert some figures to make them more clear. And inshallah, we will see some examples later. And about the summary and conclusions part, you have the statement of the problem. We are going to rewrite it to mention it in the early of conclusion, and then description of procedures. Also, we rewrite the procedures we have used, and then principal findings and conclusions. We are going to mention or state the findings of our study, and then we are going to follow it by recommendations and suggestions for new researchers and other authors. Okay, so we have done with the part of the main body, and last we have reference section, which includes bibliography and appendixes. For more information and details, please visit the link in the description box. Thank you and have a good day.